Watashi wa ki, sakura no ki. Namae wa Sumei Yoshi. Mo sugu hana ga sakimasu. Matete kudasai. I am a tree. I am Sakura. Soon the flowers will bloom. Please wait. Hora! Saita! Look, it bloomed. Konna ni takusan sakimashita kara gochiso shimashou. Hidori-san, hana no mitsu o sutte mo ii desu yo. Suzume-san, hana o chingite mitsu o sutte me ii desu yo. It has bloomed so much. So let me treat you. The bulbul and the sparrow are sucking nectar from the flowers. Suzume-san is the sparrow and Hidori-san is the bulbul. So, what a beautiful sight. You can hear the sound of birds in the background. Hana wa chirotoki ga kuru no desu. Chisai kaze fukeba chira chira. Chu kurai no kaze fukeba hira 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 hira. Oki na kaze fukeba fu fu ra ra ra. Mina mina chite jime ni wa hanabiro no yuki ga sumorimasu. Hana wa chirotoki ga kuru no desu. This is the destiny of the flowers. When the time comes, the petals fall. When the small wind blows, the sound is chira chira. Shh. When the middle level wind blows, the sound is hira hira hira. Shh. When the big wind blows, the sound is ra 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 ra. Shh. And when all the petals fall down, you see a snow of petals on the ground. Demo hada kanbo ni naru wake janai. Hora mite mite chisana midori no tongari boshi wa hapa no aka-chan. Even if the petals fall, the tree doesn't become naked. Look! Hora mite mite, look! Small green baby leaves are coming. These are heart shape. Ogia ato hajikete dete kuru. Hoya hoya no hapa. Wow, baby leaves is coming. Gun gun nobite hapa wa oki kunari mashita. Leaf is becoming bigger and bigger. Hapa no kage ni chisana midoriru no tama. So behind the leaf there is a small round shape ball. Wow! Tama wa sakura no mi. Sakura no mi wa sakuranbo. Kirei ni aka kunari mashita. The ball is the sakura fruit. The fruit is the cherry. Cherry fruit has turned into beautiful red color. Aka-san, totte tabetai yo. To dare ka ga naiteru keredo Someyoshi no sakura bo wa chisakute nigakute oishiku nai. Someone is crying. I'm hungry. I want to eat the cherry fruit. But the fruit is small, bitter, and not very tasty. Ame yo fure fure. Ten no mizu wo goku goku nonde. Watashi no ho wa ookiku shigeru. Watashi no ho wa midori o fukaku suru. Here the tree is making a request to the rain. Please come. After drinking this water from the heaven, I'll drink it in big amount and my leaves will grow bigger and bigger and denser. I'll be so happy. Natsu ga kitta. Sa midori no natsu no obon buru mai Moshi san tachi hapa o tabe oishii ki no suyu o nomi ji nosu watashi no miki mo hamo nigiyaka desu. Summer came. Having a big green cover is a treat. And look, moths are having a good time. They're eating green leaves and enjoying the water drop from the leaf, falling from the leaf. Z, nosu. There's so much of movement and sound on the tree. So even my stem is lively because of these moths and because of the summer season. The tree really seems to be happy now. Natsu wa kiri, aki ga kitte. Asaban megiri hie komoto. Sakura no hapa wa koru mokae. Watashi wa soro aka ya kiro ni omekashi shimasu. Summer has gone. Autumn has come. It's becoming very cold in the morning and night. My leaves are changing colors. My leaf is changing into red and yellow. Kita kaze ga fuki dashita. Sayonara, watashi no hapa. North wind has started to blow. It's time to say bye-bye to my leaves. Demo, hoda kanbo ni naru wake janai. It doesn't mean the tree will become naked again. Hora, yok mite, have a close look. Eda no kisani, edo no saki ni chisai subu ga taksan. So there are many small grains on my stem. Kono me no naka ni hana no akachan ga nematteimasu. So inside these buds, the baby flower is sleeping. Hapa no akachan ga nematteimasu. Even the baby leaf is sleeping. Someyoshi no inochi ga nematteimasu. That's the life of Someyoshi no tree. Beautiful. Fuyu ga kitta. Kaze yo fuke samu sayo koi. Watashi no me wa samusa no naka de shizuka ni ikiteiru. Yagate kuru haru o machi na kara. So winter has come. The cold wind is blowing. My baby leaf is living quietly and facing this cold wind, and it's waiting for the spring to come. Soyo to haru kaze ga fuite kitte soyoro to me ga fukurande kita. Watashi no aka-chan ga omare so. Spring wind is blowing, and I can hear my baby leaf is also growing. My baby is about to be born. Hana no aka-chan ga me o sama shimasu. Chairo no me ga kimidori ni natte. Hora, ware te kita. Koi pink no kao ga miete kita. See, the baby flower is blooming. The brown color of the baby leaf is turning yellow-green. Look, it popped up. Now you can see the face of the deep pink color. Mo, me deva arimasen. Subumi this. Now it's no more a baby leaf. It's a bird. Nobiru, nobiru. Gun, gun, gun. It's growing. It's blooming. Mite, mite. Watashi no aka-chan wa yotsu gota dari, itsu gota dari, hitotsu no hana me kara takusan hana. Look, my baby is growing from one stem in sets of 4, in sets of 5. Wow. Migoto. Awesome. It's awesome. Awesome. Watashi wa sakura, someyoshi. I'm a sakura. I'm a cherry blossom. Someyoshi. These are the different kind of sakuras. A weeping cherry blossom. Sakura bring happiness.